Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and thanks for joining me. Today we craft a simple version of American Girl's back-to-school Colourful Cubbies Locker Set. Both stylish and functional, the locker tower is compact but offers heaps of storage for our collected and crafted school items. It's also the perfect addition to our dollhouse since we want to put together a modern schoolroom. Today we also share the newest doll in our collection, Truly Me 74, that we named Christian. Okay, let's get making! For the locker shell, start by making a box. We recycled the foam board bathtub from our DIY Day Spa set, but you can make your box from cardboard. The exact dimensions for the locker are shown on AG's website. Following this, paint the box hot pink. For each locker, cut 2 side walls and a back wall. We used 5mm foam board for this step. Next, cut 2 dividing shelves and walls for the middle cubby. Our locker doors are cut from thicker 10mm foam board. Paint your pieces the corresponding pink, orange and green colours, then glue them inside the box. You could stop here for simple doors or go further and add more detail to the locker. On recycled paperboard, trace your door pieces and then cut them out. On this panel, mark the central vertical line, then draw 3 horizontal lines at the top and 3 below. Ours are spaced 1 centimetre apart. For the locker latch, we visited fellow crafter Sakura Doll World's blog for her excellent printables. Print, then cut out the locker frame piece and trace this shape onto your door. Cut it out. Next, cut along the 6 horizontal lines and fold them upward to create 3D vents. Place the paperboard panel over your door piece to trace the latch shape again and partially cut the foam board to give this area depth. You can now glue the panel to the door and paint the desired colour. Paint the visible foam board inside the latch area silver, then adhere Sakura's printable frame on top. We added tiny sticker gems at each corner for even more dimension and realism. To attach the locker door, clip a toothpick in half and push the tip through the front corner of your box and the other through the dividing shelf. Now your door can swing open and closed. Repeat for your second locker. Next, we decorated using black contact paper and cut a long rectangle for the chalkboard. The locker's left side wall features a hook. Here we took a mini pin hook but shortened the pin so it didn't protrude through to the inside of the locker. We secured the hook in place with a drop of hot glue. We also copied the chalk art images from AG's set using a white Posca paint pen. To give the locker more height, we hot glued rubber door stoppers to the base. For a final touch, we took a black push pin and inserted it into the locker latch, securing on the inside of the door with hot glue. Great! Your DIY Colourful Cubbies Locker Set is complete. If you enjoyed this craft, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribed to support our channel. If you want to keep crafting school-themed items, check out our AG playlist. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!